Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dead by Daylight on guitar. First, begin by selecting a short, recognizable melody from the game, perhaps the chase music or a character's theme. Listen carefully to the melody, trying to hum it back. This initial step is crucial for breaking down complex sounds into manageable parts. You'll be surprised how quickly you can pick out familiar tunes with a little focused listening. To get started, you'll need your guitar, of course, and a way to play the game's audio, like a computer or phone. A capo is a fantastic tool. It allows you to change the key of your guitar without relearning finger positions, making it much easier to match the game's original pitch. Also, a metronome is your best friend for keeping time and ensuring your playing is steady and accurate. Now, let's dive into some simple techniques. Try to identify the root notes of the melody first. Many game themes are built on straightforward scales. If you find it challenging, search for existing guitar tablature or tutorials online for Dead by Daylight music. They can provide a great starting point. Remember to practice slowly, perhaps at 50% of the original tempo, gradually increasing your speed as you become more comfortable. As you become more proficient, challenge yourself by learning other Dead by Daylight themes or even creating your own interpretations. Don't be afraid to experiment with different guitar effects, like reverb or delay, to capture the game's atmospheric sounds. Sharing your progress with friends or online communities can provide valuable feedback and motivation. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing your favorite game tunes in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.